Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Cash App decline for your protection app. So first, when you open your Cash App, make sure both your account and ho- like wait a minute. So both your account and the recipient's account are genuine and free of issues. All right. So ensure the recipient has sufficient funds and confirm that you are not dealing with a scam account. This is very important here. So next, go to your profile. Let me quickly show this one. So go to your profile and under settings and privacy, sorry, security and privacy, check if your identity is verified. If not, the error will show quite frequently. So make sure to verify your identity and click here and follow the steps on your screen. And also make sure you have like what is the image here? You have filled out this info correctly, all right? So your phone number and the code, the zip code, your cash tag, and the account number here. So make sure you fill them out correctly and verified your identity. And that's all there is to it. If you have followed the steps I have said, then this should resolve your issues. And if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.